Hello, doctor. My name is Donald Cunningham. In this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Now, you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? Well, what I've found is that many business owners are too busy running their business to learn how or to take the time to deal with the internet and all its capabilities. So what I found is that if I giving educational information for free has resulted in many of those business owners asking for my help. So if at the end of this video, if you like the information I've given you and showed you, you give me a call and we can talk about it. Or if you want to simply take the information I've given you and do this for yourself, that works for me too. So the first thing I wanted to go over is content. Now, most business owners know they need content on their homepage, but what they might not know is that the number one result on Google has 1,500 to 2,400 words on their homepage with the right keywords. Right now, your site has 1,134 words. Okay, now this is your competitor. Now they have 1,137 words on their homepage. Very close, but still less than 1,500 words. Okay, now this is a little tool that I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but it's an analytical tool. Basically what it does, it gives me the background details that Google is looking at when it's ranking a website. So I scanned this is your competitor site in Ahrefs, and we will see here that they're being found for 32 organic keywords. I click on here, and it shows me the exact keywords they're being found for. Chiropractic Riverside for a search volume of 400. Traffic of 152, that means that the 152 searches landed on their homepage. And then we have the second one, whole body wellness chiropractor, which is their brand name, for 150 volume, and chiropractic Riverside, California. 100 volume of 150 with the search volume of 43. Okay, now let's take a look at your site in Ahrefs. You're being found for 16 keywords. Click on that. And these are the keywords you're being found for. Chiropractic Menifee chiropractic, and Menifee chiropractic. So there's no match at all in the top three. So then the first thing you need to do is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. But then you also want to include keywords that your competitor is being found for. Okay, the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is citation. Now, when I do a Google search um, on chiropractor in Riverside, this is what comes up. This is our organic listing, and then over here is our what we call our map pack or the map section. Okay, now you see over here in the organic search, you see where it says sponsored, and what that means is that someone is paying Google to have this site listed at the top. It's not as a result of a search. Okay, now what a citation is your name, address, and phone number over here, and also in the organic listing, and also in, it shows up in the maps over here, also known as a NAP. Now you want your NAPs to be listed in online directories such as Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, Yelp, and there's a couple of hundred other directories that they could be listed in. But the important thing is you want to have more citations than citations or your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor, which pushes you above them in the map section. So how do you get your NAP to show up and how you get it to rise in the map section is you want to have your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor. And the way that we do that is we actually go to a site called Write Local, which just tells us exactly what directories your competition is listed on. Then we can literally go down their list and match the directory that they're on. But then also we want to go beyond that and add your citation to even more directories than the ones that they're on. Okay, let's talk about the third thing I wanted to talk about, and that is link juice or backlinks. Okay, now when I do a search on Chiropractors Riverside, your name does not come up on the top listings. But that's where you want to be. And to get yourself pushed up in the organic listing, you need authority. And it's the backlinks that give you authority. Now, backlink is when another relevant site links back to your website. But the important thing you want it to be relevant relevant sites because that makes the link more valuable. Okay, here's your site in Ahrefs again, and now we're looking at the backlinks, and we're showing here that you have 82 backlinks. Okay, now going back to your competitor again, and they have 117 backlinks. Click on here. This shows the exact sites that are linking back to their site. Now what we could do here, we could get all of these sites to also link back to your site. But in addition to that, you could get even more backlinks, more relevant backlinks, linking back to your site, giving you more authority than your competitor. So you can see getting to the top is not magic. It's just a method, and I've shown you that method today. Once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words with relevant keywords. In citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition. And then link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you get this done, you could be number one in Google. So what now? And you can take the information I have provided for you. And as I said before, you can take this information and do this on your own. If you want a faster route to doing it, then give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham at 714-473-0269. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.